welcome everybody. Again, welcome to our next tutorial. It's Stephanie and Miriam again. You've known us from the past. And today it's not really a classical tutorial we would like to give you, but just an interim status report today. So right now we're actually happy about many registrations coming in. And what we would do today is, Miriam, let us know what will be next. What are the next steps?
Yes, hello. For all our registered exhibitors, you will shortly receive your login data for the ECMS, where you can update your company profile and also all of your product profiles, where you can add your product videos and unlimited amount of pictures and also brochures and press releases.
Miriam, what about those exhibitors that took part in LIGNA 2019?
Those exhibitor profiles are still preset with the information from LIGNA 2019. So the company information just needs to be updated if necessary, and all the new products need to be uploaded, and all the new product videos and everything that goes along with it.
There are various services within the packages that might need some more explanations. So for example, exhibitor streaming and the business dating, added qualified leads. Can you say a little bit more to that?
Yeah, we have created so-called how-tos. One about your general digital presentation, but also, as Stephanie said, about those services that need a little further explanation. So these documents can be downloaded in the LIGNA shop at ligna.shop.de.
It will show you step by step what you need to be aware of, what you need to consider, and which actions need to be taken. The best how-tos are obviously the two of us and the rest of the team, but again, you can always look up the written how-tos in our shop. Well, contact us, ask the questions. We're looking forward to your registrations and to see you on our LIGNA Innovation Network platform soon. Take care, and bye-bye from all of us.
Bye.